Hi friends, my name is Mar, and in today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create this beautiful Happy Thanksgiving card. Each week I share a new calligraphy and hand lettering video, so don't forget to subscribe below so you don't miss on all the fun. If you haven't checked my previous video, you can go ahead and pause this one and go ahead and check that one out, because in it I show you exactly how to write Happy Thanksgiving in calligraphy. Let's go ahead and get started. These are the tools that I'm going to be using. First, we're going to need craft paper 7 by 5 inches, and this card will fit on an A7 envelope. I'm going to be using some pencil to sketch a Sakura white jelly roll in the number 10, a Tombow Fudenuski in the hard tip, and optional I'm using this circle and angle maker, but you can use any round object that can help you create a circle so you can have a guide. The first thing we're going to do is to create the fall wreath. And for that, we're going to use the circle maker to create a circle with the pencil, and then we're going to start adding the fall doodles. And what I did is that I created a guide with 4 different type of doodles that I'm going to be using throughout the wreath, and I'm going to be using the same doodles that you see here, and I'm just going to repeat them around the circle. I'm going to be using the Sakura jelly roll pen. And that's it. I simply draw the same type of fall doodles around the circle, and that's how I created this fall wreath. And really you can use the same type of wreath to add any message inside, but I wanted to write the Happy Thanksgiving, and I went ahead and wrote the Thanksgiving word first, just because I wanted to make sure it was placed correctly within the wreath. And usually I sketch everything in pencil first, but this time I was feeling a little adventurous and I just decided to go ahead and do it. I always recommend that you sketch everything in pencil first. Alright, now I decided to use the same jelly roll pen to add some embellishment and some type of like shadows to the Happy Thanksgiving part and also around the wreath. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this easy DIY Happy Thanksgiving card, and don't forget that I have the whole video where I show you how to write Happy Thanksgiving in calligraphy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends.